Transportation is a critical aspect of our daily lives. However, with an ever-growing population and increasing traffic congestions, innovative solutions are needed to keep our roads moving efficiently. Intelligent tolling systems now use data from IoT sensors and edge AI computing to enable new advancements in machine learning and edge AI analytics. To excel in a highly competitive intelligent transportation systems landscape, one leading ITS company was seeking to enhance their computing roadmap with a ruggedized and fanless edge computer for its mass deployment of intelligent, multi-lane, free-flow toll solutions. The main challenge the ITS company faced was a limited storage solution that could enable their intelligent tolling solution. Traditional computers lacked the ability to expand on storage space and offered read-write speeds that were unable to collect and process the large amounts of data that were being collected by IoT sensors in real time. When the company reached out to Premio, the Premio team quickly developed a full support plan that proved to offer a faster time to market with an off-the-shelf computing solution from its portfolio of rugged edge computers. Premio's RCO 6000 CML AI Edge Inference Computer was chosen for its wide range of powerful computing capabilities, configurations, and its rugged design in tough environmental settings. Premio's RCO 6000 CML was a key solution for the major ITS company because it provided a scalable and ruggedized accelerated computing solution to integrate with their AI software workload for intelligent tolling. The RCO 6000 CML AI Edge Inference Computer provided high-performance edge AI processing, high-speed NVMe storage, modular I/O configurability, and wireless connectivity in a ruggedized enclosure. Able to serve as edge IoT devices, IoT controllers, or NVR recorders, the RCO 6000 CML allowed the company to take advantage of the various Edge Boost I/O modules that functioned as building blocks to solve their NVMe storage limitations that were present in other ruggedized computing options. The company was able to meet their high-speed NVMe storage requirements by integrating M2 NVMe SSDs in the RCO 6000's modular Edge Boost I/O modules. This plug-and-play design enabled lower latency and faster read and write speeds for intelligent tolling data at the edge. The key differentiator from other competitors was the RCO 6000 CML's Edge Boost I/O design that allowed customizable configurations for Edge AI, storage, connectivity, and additional I/O in a fanless design. Premio's modular feature through its Edge Boost I/O modules allowed the RCO 6000 CML to become a repeatable and customizable solution for the ITS company, empowering them to create smart, safe, and secure tolling platforms more efficiently and effectively. Currently, the RCO 6000 CML is now being deployed in volume in various real-world intelligent, multi-lane, free-flow tolling systems for major cities all over the United States. To learn more about how Premio can help address hardware challenges at the rugged edge, visit premioinc.com to speak with our embedded and edge computing experts today.